Alright, YouTube, we are back. We got TPU going on the Ender 3S1. Rubber sprint car headers for RC cars, 10th scale. Then, the Anycubic Kobra. We have a turbo fan mount, also for Traxxas / RC Mud Boss oval car. Then we have filament holder I'm doing for the corner of my print farm. Check all the colors out. We got this row. Then we have a bunch of them over here. Colors on top of colors. Then we got back there. All out there, all right here, over there. Got colors for days. FL Sun QQS Pro. We have a bracket going for a shelf I'm building. Ender 3 Pro with a upgraded to a direct drive sprite extruder. We got another shelf bracket, and then, whoa, there it is, FL Sun Super Racer, another bracket. I'll tell you what though, out of all my printers, I gotta give a review on the Anycubic Kobra. This is the simplest printer I have ever used. There is no leveling knobs. No leveling knobs. I mean, there's nothing to adjust the bed. The only thing you have to do is adjust the Z height up and down, the Z offset. That's it. As far as that goes, or level, every now and then the gantry's off, but I just use the little leveling blocks and I adjust it there and the thing's perfect. So yeah, if you're a beginner and you're looking to get into 3D printing, everybody usually starts with the Ender 3, but the Bowden tube was so annoying for me to start. I did all kind of upgrades to make the Bowden tube better, but I love direct drive. You can switch colors easy. It's really simple. So with that being said, if you're new, go with the Anycubic Kobra. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned. We will be back.